Meghalaya PHE Minister Kerman Shalla, along with PHE chief engineers today, inspected the two ongoing water supply schemes in East Jhante Hills district. The two schemes include the Greater Rambai Water Supply Scheme and the Sendrang Umlau Combined Water Supply Scheme at an estimated cost of 66 crore rupees and 114 crore rupees respectively. The main sources of these two schemes are dependent on the natural spring located at Rambai, preserved by the Dor Barchnong, and later donated to the office of the PHE for implementation of these schemes to provide drinking water to more than 65% of villages in the district.